So there we go. We have parts, we have stuff, and now we get the fun thing up. Hey, why'd you throw that on the ground? Oh, what's going on here? Oh no, what happened?
Always check your parts,
Good advice.
or else you get the wrong part.
Like me.
We don't need that.
Yeah, we do. We really do need that. Alright, let's throw out all this garbage, and we can get to work building a lamp. What? Ugh. So I got these from a thrift store, and they were pretty gross, pretty greasy, as you can see. So definitely washing it will give you the thumbs up face and make you happy. First thing we're going to do is connect the head. We're going to Dremel this guy down. See, Dremel this guy down so that head socket can fit in all nicely like that. Epoxy it in with some 5-minute super stinky epoxy. What's going on with your hair there, bud? Oh, you want to be like Jasper from Vikings. Sweet. So, who wore it better? I think I did, but you know, that's just what I think. So we're going to get our epoxy. We're going to kind of put that in all around and secure that that lamp head in place. We just don't want any in the center. That'd be bad, and we can't feed our wires through. Stick that together, pop that bad boy off to the side, and just let it sit for a long time. More than 5 minutes, as I found out. And now, we build. So I put one of these floor flanges on the side of my workbench, which has been a really good idea. I actually had like a good idea. And it just really helps hold everything down, have everything in place, so that you can do the spinny tightening of all the pipe pieces together. There we go, nice and snug. You just want them nice and tight and snug. Don't want to move it around, too loose, any of that bad stuff. And look, there you go. We made a leg. So now we're just going to do the same thing and make another leg. Spinny, spinny. Tighten, tighten. Legs. Imagine that. It's like half a lamp already. Uh-oh. Oh, what happened? Where are you going? Remember that piece? That one I said we didn't need? Turns out we needed it.
One more.
So, little tip trick of the day, using a random piece of aluminum pipe that I got from somewhere makes a nice lever to tighten up the legs. Make sure that everything's going to sit all nice and flat, and hey, look at that. All right, wow, we're moving on, I guess. Really? You just throw that to the side? Like, the garbage is right there. So pro tip number 2 is put the little grounding screw area on the top. Just makes it so much easier to connect everything. Or don't. I mean, you don't need to listen to me. You are your own person and get to make your own poor life choices. Oh, I think this is what we call karma. Yeah. Oh. Doing a happy dance. You're going to need to pick all of that up. You realize this. These are the little nuts you want to use. They're the spiky ones, so that they grab really nice and tight to the device box. And now it's time for arms. Oh no. Well, that's annoying. Yeah, that happened. Yeah. What are you gonna do about that little problem? You're just walking away. Really? You know we're still filming. Where are you going? Oh, you're smart! Oh, look at you go, you learned. This is a much easier idea. Look at that! Okay. I'm gonna use some more spiky nuts. I'm just gonna make sure the spikes are facing each other so that when it all gets tightened down, it's nice and secure. And look at this! It's almost a lamp with moving arms. Good lamp. I'm using this piece to bring the wires into the back. I think it looks like a little jetpack, so we're just gonna call it the little jetpack. Tighten that down again, nice and snug. Just continue to throw things on the ground, that's fine. Yep. Don't even care anymore. Just make a mess. So I'm using just a little grommet, poking a hole in it, throwing the wires through it, just so that when I tighten down the back piece of the little jetpack, it just holds it a little snugger. It just doesn't really move around. And also making sure to put a relief knot in so that if it gets pulled on again, it's not going to pull any wires out. Things will be nice and tight and safe. Hey, look at that. Nice and snug and secure. Nothing's going to get ripped out. Oh, hello. Yes, nice lamp. So now for the head. The epoxy's dried, and we can see that it has some nice spinny action. So we can put the lamp back together. Pop that bad boy on. Another one of the spiky nuts to hold it in place. Now it feels like I'm playing Operation. Hey, see? Look, he's helping out already, holding the wires.
This is a really awkward position,
Yeah,
but I'm okay with it.
I'm not. And I don't know why you are. So let's just keep going and just pretend that didn't happen. Just nice and snug. Take your time. I'm sure that's good then. And look at this. Look at this rotation. It's like The Exorcist. Like, it's kind of creepy, but it's also pretty amazing. So now we're just going to connect up a switch and do all the wiring. If you don't know how to do the wiring, go and watch a video from somebody who knows how to do wiring. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but just know that it's all done right, I'm sure. But one other quick tip is these cover plates can be sharp, so give it a sand, smooth it out, round those edges, and it'll be all nice. Last thing, we're just going to tighten down the spiky nuts and make sure that they are really snug, and then that'll give you some nice little movement. See? Just like that. And if for some reason it comes loose and starts rattling around, you can just tighten down that nut again on the outside and you're good to go. Here we go. We are almost done. Power. And
Moment of truth.
boom! Look at that. Hello. Hello, Toby. I think you might be possessed, but that's fine. We'll call an exorcist later. And now we have a lamp. He can perch. He can look down at you. He can read a book. He can be sad. Can win at a staring contest. Or lose and be sad. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah. Idiot. Yes, you are. Oh, these are the outtakes. Huh? Do you not know how to put on a glove? Oh my, that's terrifying. Ah! Ah!